Hi, I'm Marianne Binetti, and it's early spring, and this is the best time to divide up and transfer throughout your garden the snowdrop bulb. Now, snowdrops are that little tiny white bulb that's just finishing up blooming right here. And these little guys, get him out of the way, these little guys start blooming at the end of January in my garden. But they're unusual because unlike other bulbs, the snowdrop bulb likes to be divided up when it's still green, when it's just finishing blooming. So it's some really thick clumps of snowdrop bulbs. And the way you divide them up is you get your trowel, and you go down deep, and you take the whole clump out of the ground. Okay, so what I did, I dug up the entire clump. Once the entire clump is dug up, then you can start pulling apart the little bulbs. Now, I'm going to pull them apart like this. Now, the best way to do it is to plant each bulb individually, giving spacing about 6 to 8 inches apart. And that means each bulb will form its own little colony. Now, you don't have to dig these up every year. In fact, some of my snowdrop bulbs have been their own little colonies for 10 to 12 years. They just become bigger and bigger colonies. But if you like to have the snowdrops popping up all over your garden, I especially like them popping up through dark leaf plants like these heucheras, then once you have them separated, you simply dig down. I kind of, instead of digging a hole, I kind of just split the earth and shove the snowdrop bulb in. Let me show you that again. Here's the bulb. Make a crack in the earth. Tuck it in. You don't have to be that specific about how deep to go, but I do know. I'm going to continue right here. And you can do this all the way, probably for another month when they're done blooming. But you don't want to be digging up your snowdrop bulbs in the summertime when the soil is dry, when the leaves have fallen off. Because remember, snowdrop bulbs, or galanthus, they like to be divided and moved around while they're still green. This has been Marianne Binetti, Easy Answers for Great Gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.